Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the thumbnails, you guys, we are doing a little bougie on a budget unboxing with Coach Outlet. I just want to share this with you guys before we jump into this video. If you are new, hello, my name is Cece and here on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty, and I'm currently documenting my sister lock journey, but it's underneath my yarn braids. But if you're interested in any of those things, if you find that you enjoy yourself, if the video was helpful, please be sure to share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and let's jump right into this video.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul.
Okay, you guys. So I have done unboxing videos on my unboxing videos, yes, on my channel before, but this is the first time I'm unboxing from Coach Outlet, which I don't know why I haven't. I ordered several things from Coach Outlet, and I want to share it because I'm a person who loves designer bags, but I'm not in a place where I can comfortably spend $2,000 plus or $1,000 even on a nice designer bag. I love a good Chanel, love a good Fendi. I want to have them and I will one day, but I don't now. And instead of spending quite a bit of money on like high-end knockoffs, which I have some. I have like a knockoff YSL and I also have like a knockoff like Louis. But they're not very cheap if you're getting a nice quality one. And in my mind, it doesn't really make sense to invest in something that's really nothing versus investing in a brand that's actually legitimate like Coach, but that's just my opinion. So if you guys are like me and you really like pretty bags, but Chanel's and Fendi's and Louis and Gucci's are just a little bit out of your price range right now, like me, honey, I understand. You are not alone. I'm with you, sis. So I want to share this with you guys because I don't know if people shop with Coach Outlet a lot online. I don't know. I didn't search the internet to see if people do this, but I decided I wanted to share this with you guys. But that is why. So let's jump right into the unboxing, okay? Okay, you guys. So what came in the mail from Coach Outlet, and I did open the box, but it's just a plain brown box, and I'm gonna cover my address. But yeah, it just came like this. I like that because if it has to sit outside, people don't know what you got. Now from Coach Outlet, I will make sure to link everything in the description if you're interested to look at the bag, check out prices for yourself. If it has it in here, I'll tell you guys what I paid for it. I don't mind. I'm not ashamed. I ordered a purse and I ordered a wallet. So once the box is open, I'm gonna turn that around. You have this in here. Now the wallet and the box did not come together because your girl has, I've been looking for this particular bag, which we're gonna get into in just a second, for a while, because Fendi has one that I absolutely love, but Fendi's bag version is like $1,900. So I was like, if I could keep looking until I found one. So I got excited. So when when I found this bag, I forgot to get a wallet. And a lady once told me, y'all, I was in Macy's buying probably a Michael Kors bag or something, and it was some other ladies in there buying them with me, older ladies, and they was like, you didn't get a matching wallet? And I was like, no, I'll never get wallets. They was like, oh no, honey, you have to always get a matching wallet. And I thought they were just talking stuff, but it has clearly stuck with me. So this is the bag that I'm going to open in just a second. This second one is the wallet that I got. And I always like to, and I'm going to just cut this package off the top, both of my little things here, and they do have the prices, so I'll tell you how much everything costs. But I got a little wallet, and this is, I know it's backwards for you guys, but it's Coach New York. And I got that because the bag is very small, and I found that I do want matching wallets with each bag. So girlfriend, if you haven't, I recommend it too. And then it's nice because when you get a smaller bag like this one is, you also want a smaller wallet, because I like big wallets until I have a small bag. Y'all know what I'm saying. So first, let's start with opening up the wallet because we gotta build suspense. I mean, come on, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna just tear it open because I have no type of elegance. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna just tear it open, And when you open it, it just looks like that. They got some little foam around it to protect it. And this is the wallet. I'm sorry it's backwards for you guys, but I'll make sure to film everything the forward way. They got the little on there and the little seed charm. I know it's backwards, but it's cute. Well, it might be right for y'all, but yeah, the little seed charm. And I just got this. When you open it up, we got some more of the little felt sheets in there to protect it. And this is just what I need, you know, someone to put my license and, you know, my little cards I carry. And I always have to have a little coin thing. And in the coin thing comes some little filler paper that I'm gonna throw away. And then it's like I guess it's the Coach tag thing. And I guess it's like the authentication then, so you can't be stealing type stuff. But yeah, so this is the wallet. It is very cute, and I'm praying that the sizing is perfect for what I have. So it's just simple like that, you guys. But classy. It's in leather, which I absolutely love. And even though it's a small wallet, another thing I love, because I hate bending up my bills, is I like to be able to put my cash in straight. And you can with this wallet. Like, you don't have to fold your bills up into little squares. If you are like me, you don't like that. Great thing about Coach Outlet, when you guys are on the website, they have I don't know if other websites do it, but it's something that I noticed on theirs. They will put, like, you can pick the size of wallets and they'll put it next to the bag, blah, 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 and they'll have it where a woman's carrying it, so you know. Let's get to the bag. So, you guys, I've been wanting a mini Coach. I mean, not a mini bucket bag for a very long time, because Fendi has a really cute one. I'll probably input some pictures at some point. This is not going to look exactly like a Fendi bag. So I don't want to even act like that's what we're going for. Let me touch up some. But it was the inspiration. So sometimes when I see a bag that's high-end designer that I want, and of course I can't find it cheaper unless I find a knockoff or whatever, but I don't want to do that. I find a bag that gives me the vibe of the bag. So let's open it. So it comes with the little mesh all around it. And you guys, here she is. Like, oh my gosh, look at her. She is so cute. Now, like I said, I'm going to put the Fendi bag up while I take these pieces off. They have the tag on here. They have the little felt stuff around the, oh my God, y'all don't even understand. I've been looking for this size, like, cute bucket bag forever. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm talking about all year last year, you know, and I just found it like last week. I just get online every now and then and just scroll through and see if they have it. I'm just tearing off all this mesh. Give me a second. Oh my goodness. Y'all, they even got felt on the little scrunchy, but this is her. I mean, come on. We have to appreciate. If you like bags, you have to appreciate her. But anyway, I wouldn't have picked this color ideally. This is the only color that this size bag came in, and I love that it has the little feet. I love bags with the feet on the bottom, even though, baby, you don't ever put your bags on the floor, ever. Y'all see how small it is? It's like right next to my head. But anyway, but I'm happy I did, because I'm trying to push myself out of my comfort zone when it comes to my bags, not buying the same colors over and over again, because give yourself a reason to carry each bag. And if you buy all your bags in black, it's like, I don't know, in my opinion, it's boring. But if I buy them all in different colors, then I have a reason to wear them with different outfits. And I don't get just get lazy with it and whatever. Although I still feel like this is a very good everyday bag. Always, you guys, save your silica packets, because you can use them in other things. Always save them. They keep moisture away. So this is the strap to her. guess, yeah, I'll put her on here. This is so, to me, really reminds me of the Fendi bag I'm talking about, with the thick strap and everything. Like, it really is inspired, I think, even by that. Okay, you guys, so once everything is out, here's the bag. I don't know how I feel about the black strap, but we'll see. But I really, in my mind, envision myself just carrying her like this. Here is the wallet that I got to match her. And excuse me, if you are on the website, I've learned to like read their color codes. So I know that this was the exact same white as the white on the trim. And as you guys see, when it's open, well, not all the way. There we go. When I open it, I can put, you know, my little bag, right, my purse, wallet right in there. So it's always good, I think, to buy yourself matching wallets. And I'm going to close her up. Oh my goodness. I think she is so cute. Maybe I closed her up a little too much. I'm sorry. But, oh my God, I think she is so cute. She is perfect for what I was going for. It's cute. So, how much did she cost? But I'm telling y'all, it's $149 exactly. And then I'm pretty sure with tax, I know with tax it went up. The wallet was $67.20. So, like I said, she's bougie on a budget. She gives me the inspiration of a bag that I've been just admiring for about a year now. I'm gonna say over, but I think she's really cute. So you guys, let me know what you guys think about it. And like I said, I will link everything down below. Coach is classic, so I feel safe with Coach. I used to buy a lot of Michael Kors, and now I've kind of gotten away from them because I feel like Michael Kors is a bit trendy, or it was trendy, but Coach is classic. So I feel like however you spend your money, when you come to designer bags like higher end, on the lower end side, I think Coach is very classic and it's kind of timeless and it's been around for so long. Michael Kors, I don't know how long it's been around. I'm not like all into fashion, like how long they've been around. I don't know. But I do know Coach has been a little bit more popular for a lot longer. And since they have gone back to their more signature C's, I'm feeling them a lot. And it could just be because I'm getting old. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, this is her. Y'all let me know what you guys think. And is this a helpful video? You know, bougie on a budget, you know? This is, so together this purse was roughly about $200 for the purse and the wallet. And I think for me that's very affordable, very pricey, almost a little, you know, I just think it's very affordable for a nice handbag if that's what you're looking for. And her being in such a like cute little style, like I can see her going with a lot of little things. And just having her on my wrist, I think she can be an eye catcher too, because she's small, but she's you know, I don't know, she feels like a little bit of a statement piece to me, in my opinion. For my wardrobe, I am pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of compliments carrying this, and I'll be sure to let you guys know, because the other purses I've gotten from Coach, which I'll grab, my other favorite that I didn't unbox with you guys, I get tons of compliments on that bag, like all the time. And I'm surprised because I don't see people with a lot of Coaches, like, you know, fun ones, and it may just be where I live. So I've really been getting into it. So you guys, let me know if this was helpful. Let me know what y'all think of her. I think she's beautiful. That is her. And we will see you guys later.
Keep your fancy drinks and your expensive minks. I don't need that to have a good time. Keep your expensive car and your caviar. All I need is my guitar. Keep your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone, I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.